Kiss her again. 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 $1,200 a year.
But tell us to put on the paint.
You want me paint, yo? I'm painting in the paint, you know. I'm not painting a European. I'm buying my painting a better.
You paint
$1,200. And the house me I paint, I'm sink. Me not paint the house, I'm sink, me I
Them
paint.
set up a paint.
Me just paint.
Illuminati,
Hey, yo.
Illuminati set
Me
up
my
a
blood
paint.
clot tell you something. Me interior and exterior decorator, I learn that in Britain.
So-
Training center, I'm go for that.
So, what is for? What is for?
I mean by this, sir.
Look where you do the road.
Which road?
Outer road.
You know what in the road?
They know say you
The
get mad.
universe
They
in the
know,
road.
they know say you
The
get mad.
universe.
So you know
Come in, man.
No, come on, man.
Come know we are doing a blood clot week, you know. You idiot. We are doing a week. Fruits, today New Year's, man.
Back on body, General.
Nah, do that. Today New Year's, they fuck you are doing a week.
Body, my General.
He's a bald head man, you have a week, brother. The fruits.
Bad man, you're there for your day fair. Right fair.
But he's a bald head man, in a week.
No, no, sorry.
Yeah, Michael Jackson.
No, no, sorry. You're fair. You're there fair. You know that song is.
Easy,
you're
Jackson.
fair.
Jackson, hold it
You're
down.
there fair, hour.
Hold it down, no Jackson,
You're
man.
there fair, hour, General.
Michael, man, hold it down.
Mom, no, yacht.
Hold it down, no Michael.
Bad man, I'm done that pan on yacht.
Hold it down, Michael.
Come back.
Yeah, lift weight. You, fruits. Come back with it now. Fruits, come back with the block. You're weak, brother. You're weak, man.
This was just a man dirty, man. You can't kiss dirt. Come on, now work and sweat up. I want to hear. I'm not kissing nobody. I brush my teeth, I'm not shave now, so I look like the shave. At least I'm tired of myself. I come back time. I turn back.
Tell them big on cook out.
Yeah, big on cook out. Then look when we do that.
Big it up again.
Big on cook out, man. We're going to get my pan moon now, better. A child, man, in case I'm going to moon now, I want to cut them and go. Yeah, pan the cook out. Then when I go do things, go talk up, and real.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, big up the cook out. But January, do it? 14.
The 10.
10. My brother will come over, yeah, in them time there.
Come on, you know, squeeze the tight.
Alright, yeah, man, I'm kissing them, but better come in.
You ready now?
Alright, yeah, if I want the man cook out, I better cook out. Mystic Plaza, yeah. It knows everything Christmas. We have a Christmas, we have a rave, we have a rave. Because right now, my name will go out here for Christmas, you know. My bed name is Quit for Christmas, you know. My room, no, up here work, me I work. In my yard.
Why you
What?
bed no spray?
The Christmas sheet not one yet. Because we're not
You know, say them something to the people.
yeah, because you're not here, better than that, nobody not me know what I'm doing. My room not clean. And my bed not spread.
Ah, must have can't show.
So not there no?
No, you have to make me lie down.
You can't let them hurt my man. I miss the class, everything on Christmas. If I come back, I go do a different one, you know, because that one and that one and really so up to date because you understand?
Let me sit up on it then now.
Just sit up on cocky.
No.
So wind up on the cocky and wind up back.
No, not that.
Yeah, man, that's what I'm going to do. Because I was so back into it, get up. You know, I sang in a big group.
Manners carry children.
Okay, okay.
What you say?
Well, we're talking now. We're not talking about this, like, who know manners and who know manners. How far manners can carry me?
Can you go?
Yeah.
You can't go far, man.
Right to my shoes. Manners take up my shoes.
Make you take up it.
Me just...
And put the
and the manners and my money take up it. Manners can't know in Jamaica.
What's in there?
You come back again and tell man about ambition.
Yeah.
Make you build a house. Ambition to build more the money.
Kind of man have ambition and can't build it.
He have ambition, he never start a room.
You never build it.
When you get money. Ambition is just follow my money. My money is ambition.
So money make your ambition real.
Just like that.
Yeah, okay.
When you call it again, manners.
Yeah.
Really I talk about people. How far manners can you to your respect to your life?
Manners. No, remember so we say no manners will help you on the journey, you know. But the money
You
about.
know what?
Make your journey nicer,
If you
man.
don't have no money, you don't want your manners. When it's a good morning,
Me no want it. Then
come from the gate. if I then manners make me the pan road and stuff now. You could have tell good morning, good morning, good morning,
And
this,
not
good
fall
morning.
about
And you hear, call the gunman at the gate. You can't have people with manners. Manners will carry away, help you a lot, your money,
Yeah, watch out for me, bro.
Nobody. It's a 2025 New Year. Fuck it. Buckler. Chain. Who came in the chain? Now be kill this.
Blanky, I want you to me, bro.
Now be kill this. Change what? I am not. Change your blood. Change what? We never
Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah. Yeah. You want to fuck it up? Oh, fuck. Yeah. 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 Yeah, Frankie. Yeah. No.
Me know what me always I say. Anything come on my mind, me talk. But me know no me a bash me for this, you know. But it's just what it is. My opinion. Not for who no. My opinion. You see that dog there? When at the concert at Cartel Freedom Street, nobody can tell me say lizard spirit no another dog there. Nobody can tell me say some demons another dog there. That dog comes strong in the VIP area. I look like him understand everything what go on. No sir, send spirit in it. Send some spirit in that dog. If he come just so come sit down and enjoy himself so. Why never bring in come below them and dog love company? Other dog company. I said what I said.
As I say, people may run them, you know, and it go them little thing can come inside the church, you know. Inside the church, see there, at the wall, them and your map seeing where you see it, the wall. The goat them inside the church them come, you know. Yeah, inside the rep church them come. I take off the wall off of the paint him off of the wall, see upon yourself. And him them now run. Them see what say boy them now run. Them that look for me doing a video and keep on hitting. This is not crazy, this is reality. I can tell you now. As I say, two of them, to Ramily, to Billy Ramily. He's not a paint. I don't know what I say now. As I say, tough.